Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve the quadratic equation 6x square minus 13x plus 4 is equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So I'm going to use quadratic formula that is minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let's find out the value of a, b, c. So this is a standard form of quadratic equation. And the equation given is 6x square minus 13x plus 4 is equals to 0. Now on comparing both the equation, a is 6, b is minus 13, c is 4. So x is equals to minus 13 plus minus under root minus 13 square minus 4 times 6 times 4 by 2 times 6. So x is equals to 13 plus minus under root minus 13 square is 169 and 4 times 6 times 4 is 96 by 12. So x is equals to 13 plus minus under root 73 by 12. So x1 is 13 plus root 73 by 12 and x2 is 13 minus root 73 by 12. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any problem related to math, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video.